Hi, friends. For this lesson, you are going to read a part of a book called Growing Food. So, you're just going to have to read 2 pages of it and answer some questions, or answer a question. Just like before, if you want to listen to it, you can use this link. I'll remind you how to do that. So you'll click on it. You might need to log in. You'll go to page 4 and 5. You can click there or just click through until you get to pages 4 and 5. I always forget the order. I think if you click on the word and then you press play, there you go, and then it'll start from there. So you can listen to it if you want, or you can just read it. But either way, you'll want to do your assignment in Kami, as always. So here's the text. Notice I put some directions up here. Read the article, then answer the question in the box at the bottom. And then here's the question. According to the text and the sidebar, why are different crops grown in different regions of the world? So you'll want to read, looks like 3 paragraphs there, a couple paragraphs in the sidebar. Notice you saw the title, Crops That Feed the World. They have pictures with labels of the different crops. The sidebar here. So take a note of those different text features. And then once you're done reading, answer the question. Make sure that you go back if you are struggling to remember after you've read it. So read it, answer the question. As you're answering the question, you can go back and look at the text if you want, so that you can make sure you get that question correct. So yeah, you're thinking about, okay, they grow crops in different places. Why is that? Why do they not grow corn everywhere or rice everywhere? Why do they pick certain ones, and how do they pick which crop to grow? Notice how there's a bold word. If you wanted to, you could, in your book, go to the last few pages and look in the glossary for the definition of that word, if you wanted to know what that meant. Also, if you want to read other parts of the text, they go more detail into each crop. So there is a section on corn, then there's a little section on wheat, then there's one on potatoes. So if you are interested, go ahead and take a look. We're not going to read any more of this book for an assignment, but you are more than welcome to go read more if you are interested in learning more. Say even if you just wanted to go read about potatoes because you like potatoes and you wanted to learn a little bit more, you don't have to read the whole book, but feel free to just go look around and see what there is to learn. So that assignment is pretty straightforward. Good luck with it.